And we are back here sa loob ng 𝐒𝐲 covered court. Nagkaroon lang po tayo ng power interruption. So, right now, ayos naman na po. So, back to the ball game. 2 minutes and 48 seconds remaining for this first half. 46-45 is our score. Just a single point game. Now it's Falcons basketball. Chance for them to add their 1-point lead here. San Gabriel with the ball.
Tries for that 3. No good.
Now CBSUA Buffaloes on the offense. Ravaga with the ball. Passing it to Reyes. Finding his way.
Steal Rick. And a wasted opportunity again for the Falcons.
On attempt for 3, no good. And a foul was called to Doloso on that last sequence. Reyes on that corner for 3. Oh, good. San Gabriel with the ball. Jumper, and it's good. Wow, what an answer on the side of the Buffaloes here. It's Coronel. And now, San Gabriel on that corner. No good for that long 3. Back to 1-point lead. Almost loses that. And USA Falcons successful on that steal. Back-to-back steal for both teams. Tag team here. And Burse gets that ball on their side. Del Rosario to Doloso, libreng-libre.
Buffalo basketball here. And almost a steal. Now umaarangkada. Jersey number 10 with that layup. It's good.
Last 48 seconds for this first half. Doloso asking for that ball. Unsuccessful on the attempt, but foul was whistled. So an opportunity on the side of their team to add their 1-point lead here.
In and out. Still no good pa rin for that free throw and Buffalo basketball. Heavily guarded here. Again, the passing, but a miscue. "27 seconds on the clock." Again, tries for 3. And that is good for San Gabriel. Steal the Gabriel. And again, that passing is really on point. That's the end of our second half. 54-49. Tune in for our next quarter only at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The digital age is here. They warn us of a cold, efficient world where the human touch is lost to automation. But we refuse to accept that choice. At �e𝐫𝐸 College Foundation, we believe the best future is one led by heart. We equip you with the skills you need to thrive. From our dynamic programs in finance and business, to the hands-on fields of IT and engineering, through our vital health sciences, our justice programs in criminology, and the crucial roles of education in the arts, we cover the entire spectrum of tomorrow's workforce. Here, you don't just become future ready, you become a worker with empathy, a leader who understands that technology must serve humanity. Choose the college that prepares you not just for the job, but for the world. The future is here at NCF. Enroll at �e𝐫𝐸 College Foundation. Let us build a brighter, kinder tomorrow.
�e𝐫𝐸 College Foundation has built futures through learning. Today, we carry that same purpose into a new frontier, where learning goes beyond the boundaries of the classroom, with technology helping students bridge between potential and opportunity. With the digital age challenging us to rethink what learning means, how can we strengthen our communities and shape generations of leaders who will carry the spirit of service and excellence beyond our campus? Digital transformation is not just about adopting technology for the sake of it. It's about widening the path to opportunity. Every learner can access the same quality of education with the same confidence to thrive in a fast-changing world. With the support of digital platforms and our partnership with Samsung, every teacher and student is now equipped with a Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. The single step has transformed access to learning, allowing classes to continue wherever our learners are, regardless of circumstance or environment. Our educators are no longer limited to traditional teaching method. They have been trained to use app and online platforms to create interactive, data-driven lessons that adapt to how each student learns best, bringing energy and relevance into every subject. Students, in turn, are collaborating digitally across teams and disciplines, mirroring the very environments they will soon enter in the professional world. We have taken learning beyond the classroom, empowering teachers to inspire and students to lead by embracing technology and making tablets part of our curriculum. Our digital transformation is not simply an adaptation, it is transformation driven by purpose, guided by innovation, and anchored in our belief that education must always serve people first. Our mission to democratize technology in education has taken a significant step forward with Samsung. By empowering every student to leap into the future, we ensure that true transformation begins where opportunity is shared by everyone, everywhere.
Your quest begins with a single step, where passion meets purpose, and learners
Back on our third quarter. Lamang pa rin dito ng Falcons. The CBSUA trying to see lifeline there. And a good 2 points.
Great start for this second half. Now, 3 points ang kailangang ingatan dito ng Falcons. What a great steal coming from Buhar. Look at that.
Saan yun ang galing, Rick?
Wow. What a play coming from the Buffaloes here. Unsuccessful on the 3-pointer. And now Buhar to Coronel. Heavily guarded here. Same ball possession.
Buffalo basketball. Another chance to tie it up. Still no good. No, that passing was still on point. Almost a steal. And a steal for the Buffaloes. The layup is good. Down to 1 point ang hinahabol dito ng Buffaloes. That is good for Grabata. 3-point. So ano kayang sagot dito ng Buffaloes? Oh, heavily guarded here. 10 seconds to shoot and a steal. Now Grabata umaarangkada for that layup.
Buhar to his teammate. What a great sale coming from Doloso. Asibor for 3, no good. Coronel with that rebound. And now to hear an update on the side of the Falcons, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Ira.
Rick and Aljon, we are now down on the second half of the game and the Falcons are now so eager to win against the CBSUA Buffaloes. They're focusing in on improving their screening and they are making sure that every shot counts. With a very close score with the CBSUA Buffaloes, the Falcons are making sure that they do not lose this advantage and pinapatunayan nila that the game may not be in their favor at first, but it doesn't discourage them to keep fighting and to keep performing their best. Magtrabaho ng maayos, yan ang bili ni Coach Tupe para ma-encourage ang mga players na talagang i-exert ang effort na kinakailangan for the game. Basketball fans, let us all sit back and try to relax sa mainit na laban na ito. Yan muna for now. Back to you, Aljon and Rick.
Thank you for that update. Now, the Falcons are ahead now and they have to protect this, because the Buffaloes has the ability to take over the lead and even win a match. Now, USA Falcons still, finding their footing to make sure that the gap is wide, and they have to really work on their system consistently. Their passing is still on point. They have to capitalize that, but their defense, you have to focus on their defense because we know Buffaloes can really make turn of events in terms of momentum and points.
Yes, looking at their performance on that first half, really Buffaloes are ready to take on the battle against the USA Falcons. So all they have to do is to stick to their game plan and avoid committing turnovers. Now on the other side of things, we have the USA Falcons na kung saan naman nakita natin na they are behind but right now they hold the lead. Ganito yung sinasabi natin, whenever the Falcons gets their groove and momentum inside the hardcourt, talagang tutuloy-tuloy na ito na kanilang kupunan.
No, Grabata, no good. And to hear some more updates on the side of Buffaloes, let's toss it to Casey. Casey, kumusta dyan?
We are now on the third quarter, Rick and Aljon, and we had events as the USI Falcons have taken the lead, shifting the momentum here in this matchup. Nevertheless, we still kaya bawiin ng CBSUA Buffalo. They just have to stay composed, limit their turnovers, and convert their offensive chances into solid points while tightening up their defense on the other end. Kung makakatagal ng rhythm sa opensa at maibabalik ang intensity sa depensa, this game is from over for the Buffalo.
Ayan, thank you so much for that, Casey. So, kailangan ditong maibalik yung confidence ng CBSUA Buffaloes on that previous quarters because at this moment, medyo bumababa yung moral nila because they are behind. So, they need to bring back the groove inside the court for them to be able to get a point here.
And a substitution for the Buffaloes. Substitution for both teams. 66-55. Falcons still ahead here. That is good.
Two out of two. Now Falcons on the offense. Asebor itatawid ang bola, passing it to his teammate San Gabriel. Now Lock. 13 to shoot. Asebor fires for three. Offensive rebound coming from Batangas.
Chance here for Buffaloes, but they are heavily guarded. Ten seconds to shoot for Buffaloes. The chance for three. Kapos. Now, marangkada dito ang Falcons again for three. No good. And a block. Much needed block for the Buffaloes. Villaflor checking in.
And now 4 minutes and 38 seconds remaining for this third quarter. And still USI Falcons leading this match. Doloso. No good.
Nagawa ng bola.
Wow, look at that defense.
Now,
But walang pumasok, Aljon.
now chance for the Buffaloes. Umaarangkada. Still no good. Chance again for the Falcons. A good pass. Balik sa Buffaloes ang bola. And a block. But again, a violation. Foul number 13 for the Falcons. Basketball USI. And a good 2-point, but advantage for the Falcons. Nakuha doon ng foul.
CBSUA Buffaloes ang may hawak ng bola. Loses that. Look at that. Napakaganda ng steals dito ng dalawang kupunan.
That's a good 3 points. USI pulling away. Eight seconds to shoot for Buffaloes. San Gabriel passes to his teammate. San Gabriel with a 3. No good. That is good for San Gabriel. Three for 3. Tapos doon, Falcons. Rather, CBSUA. The Falcons, San Gabriel. Defensive rebound.
Berse. That's good. 2 minutes and 16 seconds remaining for this third quarter, and still USI Falcons trailing by 77/58 on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes. So on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes, again, they really need to make sure that all the ball possession, makakakuha sila ng point conversion. San Gabriel for 3, no good. Berse on that second chance point, and that's good.
Buffalo basketball. Ten seconds to shoot for Buffaloes. And a steal for San Gabriel. And he didn't get that, but he gets a foul. That is good. Jersey number 8. No good. Defensive rebound, and that's good for Berse. Seconds on the clock.
Same ball possession here. Another opportunity. Foul was called to Berse on that last sequence. 24 seconds remaining for this quarter. San Gabriel.
Yes, read it on the clock.
Oh,
And
wow.
that is good point for the Falcons. 85-62 in favor of the Falcons. Tune in for our next quarter only here at Rago Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back here for our fourth and final quarter of this match. Again, matchup between the Buffaloes and the Falcons. So nakita nga natin on the previous quarter na talaga namang dinomina dito ng USI Falcons yung third quarter. So if you're on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes, you really need to double your effort for you to be able to win against this mighty USI Falcons. Kung kanina, napakaganda ng simula nila, kailangan nilang maibalik yung ginawa nila on that first half. Because this is the final stretch for this match. So they need to do it at this moment. And on the other side of things, the USI Falcons, they need to be consistent. Mag-stick lang sila sa game plan dito ni Coach Tepe kasi nakikita natin na it's very effective on that last quarter. So let's see kung mamimirror ba dito yung performance na ginawa nila sa ating fourth quarter.
The Falcons. That pass didn't convert to a point. Buffalo's huge chance to climb up their scores. The wrong pass. Tries for a three. No good. Back to the Falcons. And that is good. For jersey number 25.
No good for that three.
Grabata will check in for the Falcons. The Buffaloes here. That tries is no good. Defensive rebound for the Falcons. Tries for 3. Offensive rebound. Muscle to muscle attempt. No good. And to hear some more update for our courtside reporter, let's toss it to our courtside reporter, Casey. Casey, kamusta dyan?
We are now on the fourth and final quarter, Rick and Aljon, at hindi nababawi ng Buffaloes ang kalamangan. It's the last quarter, so they really have to give it their all upang makahabol sa ipinapakitang laro ng USI Falcons. CBSUA Buffaloes need to push the pace, make smarter shot selections, and most importantly, get stops on the defensive end if they want to stay alive in this game. Now, the question is, ang tadhanang nag-aabang para sa Buffaloes ngayong third quarter. That's it for the updates. Back to the panel.
Thanks, Casey. Buffaloes really should, push this match against the Falcons because Falcons are now climbing up the score here. Traveling for the Falcons. 89-64, a huge margin in this match. Now, again, a miscue for the Buffaloes. We've seen on the first few quarters, Buffalo showing us their communication, their passes were on point, but now we've seen change of events here. Now Falcons leading this match. That was short for 3 points. Missed free throw. That was good. Falcons tries for the 3. Percy with a statement. And you know more some update on the side of the Falcons. Let's toss it to our courtside reporter, Ira. Ira, kumusta dyan?
Rick and Aljon, patuloy na umiinit ang laban in this hard court, and so are the Falcons, lalo na ngayon na nasa kanila na ang kalamangan. They are truly strengthening their defense here, and they are making sure na walang delays para iwas sa errors and missed shots. They are executing every needed move para makasigurado na walang paltos for every shot. They need to be consistent para patuloy na tumaas ang kalamangan nila against the other team. Dahil pinangahawakan ng team na bawal sila matalo in this game. That is it for now. Back to you, Aljon and Rick.
Thanks, Ira. Really consistency is the key for the Falcons. They were able to climb up even though they were down a few points on the first few quarters. They were able to climb up their points, making sure that they will make a huge margin, and now in this quarter they're making it a wave and they're ahead with a huge margin against the Buffaloes. Outside passing and tries for 3 but no good. Buffaloes. And again, not stable pass. good for that free throw. That was good point. Gandang alalay nun. A good steal for the Falcons. No good for that three-point attempt. A good steal. So the Buffaloes umaarangkada.
And a timeout was pressed. 94-67 is the score. 4 minutes and 3 seconds remaining for this match. What a game on the side of the USA Falcons. Starting slow, but umaarangka rito sa ating fourth quarter. On the other side of things, the CBSUA Buffaloes, they really need to bring back the groove na nagawa nila on that first and second quarter. Kailangan maibalik yung kumpiyansa at yung mga point conversion on that first half. So let's see after this timeout what are the adjustments on the side of the CBSUA Buffaloes. Now it's their ball possession. But a great steal. Wow. Great steal from the Falcons. Batangas steps back for 3. No good. Minutes and 23 seconds remaining. Batangas goes inside and that's good. Quijano for that jumper, and that's good. Back-to-back points for him. 169. That's our score. USA Falcons again dominating this match. 2 minutes and 16 seconds remaining at naagaw pa nga ni Batangas, but unfortunately, it's not good. Last 2 minutes of the match. And now, chance for the Buffaloes to score, and that's good. And 𝐎𝐫𝐷 with that three-pointer, and that perfect shot is presented by the CBD Plaza Hotel, a perfect place for your getaways. A minute and 23 seconds remaining. And Ravago with that point conversion.
And that is good for 3 points. That perfect shot is presented by CBD Plaza Hotel, a perfect place for your getaways. "50 seconds on the clock."
Wow, a lot of 3 points was made para dito sa ating natitirang segundong ito. What a great game for these two teams. $106-76. That is our score. USA Falcons again dominating this match. They really want to win. And on the other side of things, CBSUA Buffaloes, napakaganda ng simula. But medyo kinapos nga dito sa ating laro. So, congratulations, USA Falcons, for getting a back-to-back win. And of course, thank you so much to the CBSUA Buffaloes for giving us a good fight. What a great game. Don't go away, because when we come back, makikilala natin ang ating best player of the game. Only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The digital age is here. They warn us of a cold, efficient world where the human touch is lost to automation, but we refuse to accept that choice. At Naga College Foundation, we believe the best future is one led by heart. We equip you with the skills you need to thrive. From our dynamic programs in finance and business, to the hands-on fields of IT and engineering, through our vital health sciences, our justice programs in criminology, and the crucial roles of education in the arts, we cover the entire spectrum of tomorrow's workforce. Here, you don't just become future ready, you become a worker with empathy, a leader who understands that technology must serve humanity. Choose the college that prepares you not just for the job, but for the world. The future is here at NCF.
Dedikasyon at aksyon, that is the root for the game. That is the root for the win of our USI Falcons for today. And to recognize our best player of the game, brought to you by CBD Plaza Hotel, we are here with jersey number 3, Rick Asibor, with 18 points, 1 rebound, 2 assists, and 2 steals. First of all, congratulations po for winning today's game. And now, how did you guys turn the pressure into pleasure kanina, knowing na during the first quarter, naunang makalamang ang other team?
Yun. So, kanina, nung first quarter, medyo bad start talaga. Bad start kami. Pero, yun nga, siguro sa experience, yun, lamang kami sa experience din, teamwork, tapos, inumpisa namin unang-una sa depensa. Yun po.
Okay, so for ano po sa tingin nyo yung naging advantage or turning point ng team while playing kanina against the CBSUA Buffaloes?
Nag-stick lang kami sa system ni Coach Tupe and sinunod lang namin yung instruction niya. And communication sa loob, ayan, kanina nga sabi ko, defense, importante kasi sa amin, mas nagpo-focus kami sa defense para makuha namin yung kumpiyansa. Yun po.
And now, baka meron ka pong message or gustong i-shoutout na family or friends?
Unang-una po sa lahat, thank you kay Lord sa binigay niya ulit sa amin na panalo ngayong second round. Gusto ko pong pasalamatan yung family ko, yung wife ko nanood, yung baby ko, and sa coaches ko, sa mga teammates ko, sa USI community, kila Sir Dwight, yun sa family ko sa Libmanan, Sibor family, and Rasonable family. Yun po.
Thank you po. Once again, congratulations for the USI Falcons for winning this game. Indeed, that every step with act leads you into bouncing back. Maraming salamat for watching today's game, and this is of course 𝐒𝐅 Avila reporting courtside for high-level coverage. Stay tuned here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Again, congratulations USI Falcons for your back-to-back win. And kudos also to CBSUA Buffaloes. You really played well and looking forward for your next game.
Yes, talagang napakaganda ng ipinakita ng dalawang kupunan. So for more actions, tutok lamang dito sa ating live coverage. Your commentator, Rick Puerta.
And I'm Aljon Pogoy. Thank you so much for watching only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.